Hello everyone, this is Travis the Trader coming back to you again live on Tuesday, August the 20th. Last two videos I uploaded were the gold, how to trade gold, how to trade silver, gold futures, silver futures. The other one I wanted to talk to you about is copper. That's /HG, Henry Greatness. Overall, I mean, it's actually I have traded this before naked. It is viewed as a big boy contract, similar to gold, similar to silver. You're looking at a notional value. It's about, I believe it's about 25,000 pounds is one contract. So you're looking at about $104,000 notional value. So again, it's big. You know, one contract is quite ginormous, and actually, the liquidity isn't that bad either in the copper futures. I was unable to find any sort of micro. If there are somebody, please tell me. I'd be more than happy to check that out. But for those of you who want that copper exposure, the stock that I've used, and I haven't been able to find an ETF. And again, if someone is able to find one, please, I will look forward to it in the comments section. But for those of you that might be looking for copper exposure, FCX, which is Freeport-McMoRan, and I actually have a position on it right now. I just have a naked put, and that's 31 days to expiration. Overall, it's very liquid. It's IV, as you can see. The IV rank is about a 35, so that works for my sandbox, within my sandbox as well. But FCX, again, has been the one that I've generally gone to for copper exposure. And again, I have done /HG as well. Some of the others that I've looked at were Rio Tinto, which is an ADR. I believe might be out of Australia, if I'm not mistaken. But again, hard to trade, as you can see. No weekly expirations here, and bid asks here are a bit on the wide, as you can see. Rio, the other one was, I believe it was BHP, the BHP group. Any of you have ever traded that, please let me know what your thoughts were on it. Again, not a great amount of liquidity on this either. As you can see, just all you see are really just monthlies, no weeklies, and I'm sure there's some others, but again, for those of you who might be seeking exposure to copper, and again, as I like to call it, you know, gold, silver, and copper futures are big boy contracts. If you're going naked, you could do a credit spread of some kind, or you could do some kind of an iron condor, a defined risk trade. But for those of you who might be looking to go naked, FCX, Freeport-McMoRan, I think is a good way to get that copper exposure, and would of course be able to further diversify, you know, one's current portfolio. Again, if you guys find this to be valuable, please subscribe to my channel. Send me a thumbs up. Send me a comment. Send me a comment as to maybe some other sorts of stocks that can provide that copper exposure that one might be looking for one's portfolio. And of course, I look forward to seeing everyone at the next video.